Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate Instagram stories. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin our tutorial. So now we want to open our Instagram app. And after that, I'm just going to the profile here and simply you will be needing to either create your own profile in foreign language by going, for example, to here, and other people will be able to start translating these uh, story. So we can go to the home, and from there you can choose any kind of story that is written in a foreign language, and make sure that is different language that your system settings or your uh, Instagram app settings. And from there you will be able to start translating. So simply, you will need just to look for the C translation option in the upper left corner of the story. And that would be applied on other people's story. And in this case, it is only from the creator mode. So this is my own story. I want to be able to have such thing. So if it is another person's story and it is written in a different language, normally you should see the translation on here on the corner, like on the top corner, and you will be able to start translating this story and it will be showing in the language of your system language on your Instagram app. And by that, you will be able to correctly or successfully translate the story. But there isn't an option to do it for the other stuff, such as the notes. So in the notes, you want to be able to start translating the notes and etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.